Hello, Mom and Dad Meet World. So we are over here at the Western Washington Fair at the infamous Puyallup Fair. This is 2024 and we wanted to show you around a little bit, and this is going to be a little bit of a food tour part one. Part two is going to be coming up here very shortly, but it takes a while to edit these videos with so much footage, but just check it out and we will join you very shortly for our very first stop.
Love it.
Yes. We have a lot of good things here.
I see that. It all looks really good.
Pork belly.
Beautiful.
So we're going to use powdered sugar on this. Served with our spicy mayonnaise. And there you have our pork belly.
That's
Wow.
amazing. Thank you.
Yes. I hope you guys enjoy your day at the fair.
We are.
Thanks for visiting us today.
Hello, Mom and Dad Meet World. So we are over here at the Puyallup Fair and we want to try some very unique foods. And one of the foods we wanted to try was from a place called The Circus. And she kindly made this right here. This is their pork belly. This is deep fried pork belly with their spicy mayonnaise. And we have the mayonnaise right here. Let us have a bite of this. So first we're going to open up the mayo. Just set this down. But what we want to do, this is a hefty piece right here. It was like a slab of bacon right here. She took this side of pork belly, dipped it in the batter, and then tossed it in the deep fryer. And you can see this right here. And then they sprinkled some powdered sugar right over top of it. So first of all, we're gonna try it as is, as this powdered sugar paper is just spilling all over me, but that's okay. That is super savory. Crunchy on the outside. You can see that pork belly right there. Yum. It is like a cured pork belly, but it's not overly salty at all. We're gonna take this right here. Give that a little dip in the spicy mayo. Spicy mayo makes it. Spicy mayo gives it a creaminess and a richness to it. It is not very spicy at all, but it does go very well. It has a little bit of a zing to it to balance out the deep fried, the skin right here. That is really good. And we're getting into a bit more of the fatty part of the pork belly. Wow. I gotta warn you, if you have a heart condition, you may not want to eat this because this is super duper rich. It is super good. Savoriness of this, the little bit of the powdered sugar you get, the creaminess from the mayo, little spice, not very spicy at all. Overall, what a great combination. Definitely come try them out. How unique is this? And it's good. How is it?
So it's delicious. The pork belly is exactly what you think. It's deep fried. It's yum. But the coating, this deep fried coating right here, it's sweet. It's a sweet breading. Then it's covered in powdered sugar. It really is a sweet and savory combination. It's really very interesting.
Okay, we are over here at the Bao Box. We are trying their $2.99. You can see it right here. It is their golden bao here. We just ordered it from their kiosk, and this is what it looks like right here. What do you get for $2.99? Their golden bao. So this is a brand new vendor right here, new this year to the fair for 2024. And what I'm gonna do is we're gonna split this right here. Nice and fluffy. Ooh, look at that. That looks like an egg custard right there. Let's try it. Sweet, very sweet. A little vanilla flavor. It's very eggy without it being over eggy. And this, the outside shell right here, nice and neutral, fluffy. I would say it's like, I don't know, slightly sweet, but not too sweet. But the filling itself, it's almost like an egg yolk mixed in with a lot of sugar. That's really good. It's a good balance. Really excellent for $2.99 plus tax. Definitely give it a try. That's delicious. All right, so this is the pie bar right in front of or behind the giant Ferris wheel. And we're gonna be trying their Ballard Bumble Berry Crumble Pie, although they are famous for their PB&J pie as featured on the Travel Channel.
No.
Thank you.
Got it?
Yes.
All right. Enjoy.
Oh, that'd be a crime if I dropped it.
Yes, it would.
Wow, that looks beautiful. Thank you.
All right, so this is the pie bar. This is their Ballard Berry Crumble Pie over here at the pie bar. They're actually right in front of the big Ferris wheel, and you get a scoop of ice cream with this beautiful fruit pie. You could either get apple or their Ballard Berry. I got their Ballard Berry, and I'm gonna try a little bit of their ice cream because it's melting right away. Nice creamy vanilla ice cream, really, really delicious. Take a look at that right there. We're gonna get a bite of that right now. It's got a nice crumble on there. And you can see in the description there of what is included, what kind of berries there are. What a nice, rich and sweet crumble topping. That is a Granny Smith apple. That is just red here with whatever other berries there are. Little mix of ice cream right here. Wow. It is nice and tart, nice and rich. Get some of this crust on the bottom, along with a little bit more ice cream. Wow. What a beautifully balanced pie right here. So the crumbles are nice and sweet and toasty. It's served slightly warm. You've got the toppings here, or excuse me, not the toppings, but the filling and the ice cream. Just overall a phenomenal combo. Yeah, so this is really, really good, really, really rich. It is not too rich at all. Beautifully balanced between the tart filling and the sweet and crumbly pie topper, along with the creamy ice cream. It is just overall very, very delicious. Definitely give the pie bar a try. I'm gonna enjoy right here. Yes, I'm getting bigger and bigger for you guys. Not for me, but for you guys, because I want to show you guys some of the amazing food they have here at the Puyallup Fair. Local, by the way, based in Ballard, Washington, the Pie Bar. Wow. Yum. Come try it out.